On a city pond, small circular ripples appear, seemingly out of nowhere. These ripples are not caused by raindrops, but by small fish touching the water's surface from below. Due to city runoff, this particular water system is much warmer than average, and this is probably why there is an abundance of fish. But the huge mass of fish in this pond has already attracted the attention of a hungry heron. More precisely, a great blue heron. The heron patrols the edge of the pond looking for a place to strike. This particular heron is very hungry and needs plenty of fish to satisfy its big body. Let us see the strike of this heron in slow motion. A frame-by-frame analysis of this video shows that at the time the bill touches the surface of the water, the head of the heron is moving at about 6 meters per second. When the great blue heron comes to a body of water, it's time to tell its fish good night.